Your heart beats approximately 100,000 times a day, moving nearly 2,000 gallons of blood through a vascular network that could circle the Earth twice. But the cardiovascular system is far more than just a pump and pipes. It is a sophisticated masterpiece of bioengineering, governed by the laws of hemodynamics and complex electrophysiology. If you understand the physiology of this system, you understand the very foundation of human life and clinical medicine. Today, we're exploring the deep mechanics of the cardiovascular system, from myocardial contractility to systemic vascular resistance. The journey begins with the cardiac cycle and the incredible electrical conduction system of the heart. Everything is triggered by the sinoatrial node, which is the natural pacemaker located in the right atrium. This node generates the action potential that travels through the atrioventricular node and down the bundle of His, ensuring that the atria and ventricles contract in perfect synchronization. This is the essence of cardiac output, which is the product of heart rate and stroke volume. To maintain homeostasis, the body must constantly balance preload, which is the volume of blood entering the heart, and afterload, which is the resistance the heart must pump against. Before we dive into the microscopic details of capillary exchange and the baroreceptor reflex, I have a quick request for you. If you are a medical student, a healthcare professional, or simply a fan of high-quality 3D anatomy, please subscribe to Medical Vision 3D and hit the notification bell. We are dedicated to visualizing the invisible parts of human biology to help you master complex medical topics. Also, I want to hear from you in the comments. Have you or someone you know ever dealt with a cardiovascular condition like hypertension or an arrhythmia? Share your story or ask a question below to help our community learn. And please send this video to a friend or a colleague who needs a clear breakdown of heart physiology. Now let us look at the vascular tree. The physiology of the arteries and veins is dictated by the endothelium and smooth muscle layers. Arteries are high-pressure conduits that utilize elastic recoil to maintain blood flow during diastole. As blood moves into the arterioles, we encounter the primary site of peripheral vascular resistance. This is where the body regulates blood pressure through vasoconstriction and vasodilation. At the capillary level, the magic of perfusion happens. Through a process called Starling forces, oxygen and nutrients are pushed into the interstitial space, while carbon dioxide and waste products are pulled back into the venous system. Regulation of this entire system is managed by the autonomic nervous system and the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. Baroreceptors in the aortic arch and carotid sinus constantly monitor mean arterial pressure, sending signals to the brain to adjust heart rate and vascular tone within milliseconds. This ensures that your brain and vital organs receive consistent perfusion, whether you are sprinting or sleeping. Understanding these feedback loops is critical for diagnosing everything from orthostatic hypotension to congestive heart failure. In summary, the cardiovascular system is a dynamic equilibrium of pressure, flow, and resistance. By mastering the concepts of myocardial oxygen demand and systemic hemodynamics, you gain a profound insight into how the human body sustains itself under stress and disease. Thank you for watching Medical Vision 3D, and we'll see you in the next deep dive into human anatomy and physiology.